Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. All right guys, it is freaking that time. I feel like I've waited so long. One of the 5 mystery boxes I ordered finally came in. I haven't touched it. It's one of the Supremes. I have 2 Supremes and then one of every other tier. So I am so excited. I have been waiting. I've watched a bunch of spoilers, so I kind of know what's out there, but from what I've seen so far, guys, I don't think anybody has gotten the same box. I've seen a few similar ones here and there, but a lot of them are really different, which is amazing. That was always a critique I had when I ordered the old mystery boxes. There was no excitement there. There was no anticipation. What did I get? What did I get inside? I wonder if my box got extra lucky. Guys, enough talking, let's jump right into it. Okay, another thing I wanted to lightly touch on, that I know we're in a crazy time of the world right now. It was just holiday season, but this shipping on these boxes has never been this shitty. Honestly, I'm just keeping it real. It took so long to come. I feel like everyone else got their box before I did, but luckily one is finally here. We are still waiting on the others like I mentioned, but let's jump in and see what I got. Pretty like paper, like I love it. Okay, like I love it. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. I do not own even one makeup bag from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm geeking out right now, guys. I'm geeking out. Okay, this has to be, I'm guessing from the orgy collection, because it's so pretty. It's giving me bronze, beautiful vibes. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Dude, these things are huge. They're so much bigger than I thought they were gonna be. Oh, hi, traveling, how are ya? I know we're not gonna be traveling anytime soon, but wow. Like, I don't even think I can put this in a giveaway. I love it too much. I love it too much. All right, the next item. Okay, what? I thought these only came in blue. Okay. This is a stunning sweater, guys. I don't know if you can see. It has this detailing. I guess these are giving us a little bit of candy cane moment. It has the Jeffree Star signature here. I will live in this. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm already so freaking impressed with this box. Love this, guys. Did you also get the sweater? What did you guys get in your boxes? Please don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know. I love comparing this stuff with you guys. Okay, let's see what else we got. Is this a joke? Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? Okay, listen, I already own this palette, but I am tripping out. I never thought I would see the day Jeffree would include the Jawbreaker palette. Oh my God, guys, this is such a stunning palette. This is hands down one of my absolute favorite Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes. I can't believe he put this in a mystery box. This, hands down, I'm not even done the mystery box. This, hands down, is one of the best mystery boxes I've ever gotten from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So the next item, guys, is the Jawbreaker palette. The Jawbreaker palette. Okay, love. Okay, so I have seen that a bunch of people have gotten this. There are shades in here that I don't own. I cannot tell you how excited I am to own this lip bundle. It's absolutely stunning, guys. Wow. It's called Love Me, Love Me Not. I only own 2 other lip bundles from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is gonna be the 3rd one. I will use the crap out of every single shade in here. Let's take a look at what the shades are. Oh, I am actually wearing Calabasas today. So we have Calabasas, Doll Parts, Wifey, Watermelon Soda. Oh my God, guys, I love these. I actually don't own Prom Night. This really hot pink here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is freaking amazing. This box just keeps getting better and better. I am freaking shook. So cute. A little mini star ornament. These are absolutely adorable. I put them all over my tree this year. I took a bunch of photos with them. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I know you saw them. And if you don't, follow me right now, please. Right now. But yeah, guys, these are stunning. I love that he included one of these. So cute. So cute. And I love the baby pink. Ooh. a brand new Skin Frost. This is in the shade Sarcophagus. Guys, I was sleeping on the Skin Frosts for so long. They're absolutely beautiful. I cannot stop using them. I always use the Peppermint Frost palette. I love those. That's what actually turned me on to the Skin Frost to start with. I haven't actually tried this Sarcophagus shade. If you have, let me know. Did you like it? Is it gonna work for my skin? I wonder. If not, I would love to include this in a giveaway for you guys. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this guy. The next item is BAM, some Magic Star translucent setting powder. I also own this. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a stunning formula. If you know, you know, stunning. Now, because I already have it, I may or may not include it in a giveaway. We'll have to see, but this is great. I did a whole review comparing the old formula to the new formula. If you know, this looks like the original formula. There's no luminosity in this one, but he did come out with a secondary formula that is luminous. So if you've been interested in the Magic Star setting powder, I will link that video up here. Take a look, see if it's a powder that you'd be into. Personally, I absolutely love it. I usually come from high-end powders, and I find that this is so close to that without that high price tag. Love this formula, guys, and it smells like freaking cotton candy. Like, how can you go wrong? Okay, believe it or not, there's still items in this box. Like, as if it could get any better, but let's see. Okay, bam, we have a velour lip scrub. This is in Blue Raspberry Sucker. I've never tried this. Jeffree's lip scrubs are absolutely amazing. This winter, I don't know, are you guys experiencing this too? I am experiencing the driest lips I've ever had. They're constantly chapped. They look disgusting. These help out so much, not only because you're buffing away that dead skin, but there's essential oils in here and vitamins that I feel like rehydrate that skin after you buff off all the dead cells. Oh my gosh, guys, these are amazing. I've heard that this is probably one of the best flavors. So the fact that he's included all of these top selling amazing things in this box, like, I'm shook. The next item in the box is the gloss. This is in shade Coroner's Kiss, and as you can tell from the packaging, this came with the cremated collection. I actually own this. It's stunning. I did a full in-depth review about all the glosses from the cremated collection, so if you really want to take a look at that, I did live lip swatches so you can really see what that looks like. I'm not going to open this just in case it might be gifted to one of you, but I will link that video up here in case you guys are interested, so definitely take a look. These glosses are amazing. They smell like creme brulee. It's kind of hard not to want to eat them off your lips, but they're not so aggressively scented that like it's all you can smell when you wear it. I absolutely hate that. So these are beautiful. If you know the gloss formula, you know what I'm talking about, but amazing. And the last item in the box, a hand mirror. I freaking love these. This looks like it again was from the Orgy collection. Let me just open it here. And it looks like it's the iridescent light pink. Oh, Yep, stunning. Can never get enough of these mirrors. If you guys don't have them yet, definitely look into them. They're stunning. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I might have gotten an extra lucky box. These items in here are absolutely amazing. He really always listens to what people have to say. Like, I remember the first couple round of boxes, you were getting things in there that you didn't necessarily want. Like there was weird colors in terms of the lipstick shades, not very wearable stuff. It kind of made you feel like you were getting a bunch of the stuff that didn't really sell. This does not feel like that. I feel so excited and special opening this box. I think these are the best mystery boxes Jeffree has put out to date, and I am obsessed with each and every item I got. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Now, the date of the giveaway winner announcement. That is going to be coming up on January 28th. That's going to be a Thursday. So definitely, guys, stay tuned. As always, I'll be unboxing the entire giveaway prize, and it is good. This has to be the biggest one I've done to date. It's gonna blow your socks off. Do not miss it. But yes, I unbox everything, and then in that video, I will announce the winner. I can't wait for you guys to see what you've won this time. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, that's going to be coming January 28th, that unboxing and giveaway winner announcement, so make sure you don't miss it. Please give this video a like if you like this style of video. Did you guys receive your winter mystery boxes yet? What did you get inside of them? Are they as good as this box? Please, guys, leave me some comments down below. Let's start a discussion about this. I'm so freaking happy and excited with this box. Like, I have never loved one of the boxes more than this, hands down. And please, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!